If I'm being honest, loving you the hardest thing to do, so I keep to myself. I feel like I'm falling in and out of consciousness, yeah.
What's going on, guys? Today's video we have the Soundynamics Vibe speakers. We're gonna go to check them out. This is the TWS mode. Look at this packaging. First of all, when you're unboxing these have an amazing experience first time when opening them. They seem like HomePods, like HomePod minis. They seemed exactly like that experience. It was very premium. You're getting like mad sound quality, mad good experience within this. And they have a app, they have lighting that syncs to the music. They are IPX waterproof. They can work as desktop speakers, laptop speakers, mobile device speakers, anything like that. Anything that connects to Bluetooth, these can connect to. They claim a 20-hour battery life. We're going to go and test that and get in with that in the video just to tell you whether or not these are perfect or not for you. Now let's get straight into it. First, we're going to show you how to set it up. So number one, you're going to take this out of the box, you're going to look at it, you're going to turn it on, you're going to see instantly the features, the RGB. That's one of the main features, RGB, and it does sync to the music. Whenever you play music, you can choose to turn off the RGB or turn it on. Obviously, the main selling point for the speaker, one of them is the RGB. So it looks really cool. Looks like one of an alien HomePod, you know? So very simple to actually pair. So at first I was really confused because there is a TWS mode, but you just have to click it once. So you're gonna pair one of them, you're gonna press TWS, it'll do a little flash, and then you're gonna press TWS on the other pair that is not connected. And then once you have one connected and one not connected, they'll both make a simultaneous sound every so often, and then you can connect it to your phone. So very simple. Next, we're gonna go straight into the sound quality. So I wanted to show you guys the sound quality on this bad boy. Let's go. All right, this is a regular song test. Sound check.
That's what we got. Time's close, I whittle them down, sticking to them by sticking around. The gang all on, Iwo Jima got one flag and it's sticking the ground, setting up shop. Think I got the message across. Came for the titles and press of the watch. We played the levels and let them in jobs. It's time to receive all of the favors I've done. Too late for y'all to switch teams. Everybody getting big leagues.
So yeah, sound quality is amazing, but a lot of people are going to have lots of questions when it comes to battery life. It claims up to 20 hours. Is that true? No. You could get up to 20 hours probably if you have it on 1% volume, no lights at all, and one speaker. I do have multiple modes on, such as TWS, which drains the power a lot, RGB sync to the music, which is also on, and under 50%. That's what I normally had it on for multiple uses, and I got between 4 to 6 hours on each usage. I haven't tested it out on just a single device on its own, and I haven't tested it out a single device fully without any RGB. I was in the middle of it, but I haven't fully tested it out. Well, once again, once we have that third 3-month review, we will have more intensive battery tests. And I have tested out some of the waterproof. I haven't submerged it into water yet because I love those speakers too much to be able to actually get them super heavily consumed into a bunch of tests. But we will do that in our 3-month reviews because I will be keeping these. So there'll be a more intensive test on that, such as battery life, wear and tear, normal everyday usage, and everything else like that. So you'll be able to see that in a future video. But for now, we're gonna get into the basics of it. But for now, we're getting about 4 to 6 hours on usage, which the battery life on this it's too bad. I don't know what it is, but I like to see a improved battery life in the future. But if you actually have 2 of these or even 1, the sound quality is so full. It has a lot of bass, it's super loud. And considering it's super small and compact, it's insane. And you get a little light show as well. I'm very mind blown when it comes to these types of speakers. It even has an app, so you can change EQ settings. You can change anything you want. You can basically customize it to your liking. You have like boosted treble, boosted bass, brighter music, better lows, better mids and stuff like that. Like, the genuine stuff that you can do on most devices. I noticed it does work. It doesn't work instantly. You have to make sure you're on the main module when you're in the app. So make sure you're on the correct node when you're doing that. Brightness amount, so 1 through 100. You can also change the colors on there as well. You can go and scan a color. So if you have a certain color that you like a certain purple hue shade, you can get a color card. You can scan that color card on your phone and it'll instantly match it. And it does a decent job at this. It's hit or miss, but it does have that feature if you like to use it, which is pretty cool. So yeah, at the time of the recording, it was around a $40 speaker, but now they boosted it up to 60. I'm not too sure what the original price will be. I'm just gonna leave it about 40 because that's the lowest I've seen it, but I'm pretty sure they know the value of their speakers. They'll probably get better and better. For a $40 speaker, that's insane. If it's 60 bucks, I'd still buy it because it's insanely good sound quality and the build quality on it is amazing. Most of it is made out of plastic. The bottom base is made out of rubber and the actual like driver ends of it is made out of metal. Now there is a design thing that they did that I don't know if it was mainly for looks or what, but only the front end of it has an actual speaker. It's not 360-degree sound, which it would have been cool if it had 360-degree sound. I think that would have been an even bigger bonus, but it's only the front panel that's actually the speaker. The rest of them are just mimics and they're dummy units basically. And it doesn't do anything. It's just there for looks basically. The grills on the front. So those are made out of metal. Everything else is made out of a plastic basically. But you know, you're able to fit so much in that small compact design that it's almost amazing to have that. It does get a little warm to the touch on top because of the LEDs and stuff like that, but it doesn't get like super hot or anything like that. It gets, the performance for it is really nice. I haven't really pushed it over 50% all the time. I do sometimes do it because I know it gets really, really loud and it tells you how loud it gets, which is cool. So it shows you a little decibel meter. I usually keep it under 80 decibels, but I always have them really close to me. And you do have a left and right channeling. The right one is the one that has the little LED dot constantly on, and the left channel is the one with the one off. So now you can go ahead and see. If without further ado, guys, if you guys want to check these out, once again, link is in the description to buy. They are affiliate links. They will help support the channel. A small channel like this obviously needs room to grow. So leave a like if you like this video. I post lots of content related to tech, such as speakers, headphones, gaming stuff, gaming mouse, keyboards, and stuff like that. Bunch of tech stuff. So without further ado, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.